Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO A57s. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app and go to menu. Enter settings, go to Google Assistant, enter voice match, enable Hey Google function, and now simply tap Next, Agree, and Continue. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working. Let's go back, enter lock screen, and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google. Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It will be cloudy, with a high of -1 and a low of -3.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.